go.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Starka and Reynolds and today we are playing.
Ay, bigyan ako.
Rice and
Uy, wag.
Ipahawak ko na sa kanila isa-isa, Zach. Experience mo.
And this
sige.
is look like so good.
Oh, wow.
And wow, what is this look like? Is this look like from the lettuce or
Okay,
something?
someone read the
Ano mo dito?
instructions.
You read the instructions.
Ay, someone get a scissor.
I'll get one.
Ano
Starka
pa
sa
dito? Ano tayo? Ano?
Wow, where's their powder?
Zach, dito ka pag makita.
Ay, kangali ka.
Hindi ko maano kasi.
Bro, where's the scissors? Did you get anyone a
Okay,
scissors?
guys, ilagay mo nga yung tumbler doon para may space sila.
Okay, first.
God, this is for Coca-Cola.
Pour sugar, the orange one.
The orange one.
Where's the orange packet?
This one.
Ay, dito
And
ka.
let's share it to build the. Let's make the hamburger. So we are making the hamburger first.
Someone get a scissor.
Wait, what is this? A gummy? No, it's not. Oh my god.
Oh, later.
Ate, look. Don't play
Ay,
with
ganyan
it. Don't
pala
play
out
with
sa
it.
inside.
Is this a gummy? Yeah, you press with it. Look.
Wala mo.
Uy, wag mo kainin.
We are.
Later.
Mamaya.
Okay, guys.
Batay ng tissue. Batay ng tissue.
Okay, is this the ketchup? Packet. Ate, is this the ketchup?
Maybe. Wait, isa-isa lang. Tawagin mo si Albi.
What is this?
Ito.
Rico.
Show
Uy,
them.
wag mo kainin.
Oh, later.
Okay.
to?
Wow, this is for potato
Wait.
chip.
Oh. Dito sa
Ay,
white
ang
ko.
gulo na.
Yung Coca-Cola. Kunin
Ito
mo yung
yung
pang
pinapanood nating
Coca-Cola.
Happy Kitchen. Bumalik na sa buhay.
Arvin, come on.
Ay, walang cover. Uy. Ay, akin na.
Asan na yung pang Coca-Cola?
Ano ba yan?
Asan na yung pang Coca-Cola?
Ito pang Coca-Cola,
Ito yung tray.
Wait lang, Pia.
Tray.
Fix natin ta, Pia.
Ang daming nangyayari.
And let's make it. Let's wait, bro.
Halika na, Arby.
Don't eat that. Yeah, we're not
Oh,
gonna.
yan na
Wow,
Ayan, natumba.
No,
You get water.
I'll get water for now.
Ang water. Baka may mahulog dito, oh.
Huwag mo kainin.
Later
Pagkatapos
pa.
na.
Hindi ko yan kakainin.
Ba yan? Ang
Just
gugulo.
Yeah. Hindi, alika na. Punta ka na dyan.
Ito.
Let's make that one.
Okay. Let's wait for Amber.
Yeah.
Amber, we need some water. Okay, here's the water. Over here.
Oh, mabasag
Oh my gosh.
Ako na maghawak ng baso.
Okay. Zach, sige na ah. Tanggalin mo na yung earphones mo.
Oh.
Okay. Pour sugar powder A. A.
Where's the sugar?
Over
Saan?
here, this is the A.
Into sink A. Saan yung sink A?
Wait lang, i-open na
Over
natin.
here.
Oh,
Ang
sink A.
gugulo na
Wow, this is the spoon, fork,
Amber.
and knife.
Oo,
You
watch.
show this
You
one.
watch. Ito na record na go.
Oh, paano? I-mix ko na?
Oo.
Bro, you
Wala ko
then
ako sa
you mix
video.
and put
Ay, wag! Uy,
Later.
ano ba yan?
Feel
Ganun
don't
talaga sa...
gulo
Oh,
it.
later.
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 Put aside.
I'm not going.
Oh, ilagay ko na?
Oh, sige. Wow, you say mo.
Wow, does look like a sugar, I guess.
Ito, nandun ka
Oh,
naman.
dahan-dahan.
Spaghetti man mo.
Let's humingi.
Wow! Ito spaghetti.
Ilang pangit kasi na
Mamaya.
Wow! Tinunta ka ni Margon. Margon.
Ginagawa pa lang natin, Margo. Huwag nyo kainin mamaya. Ay, I mean, kakainin yung pagtapos na.
Oo. Abi, you watch
Kuya Zach, is it really true? Why?
Zach daw may question, Zach.
Oh.
What?
Is it really true?
Yeah.
Ah?
Is it? It's real. Yung kakain natin to.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat it.
Oh,
I'm
yan
gonna
na.
have the cola
Okay,
later.
what's the
Yan
next
na,
step?
uy.
Oh, mama.
Huwag nyo laruin
Mine
yung
is
mga
the burger,
equipment.
the gummy burger.
Add 3 grams
Oh.
of water and
Wag.
mix well with a
Best
spoon.
There's the water.
Oh,
Where's 3 grams?
Full.
Ito.
Tig, mommy.
Ito, 3 grams.
full nyo.
This is a little spoon.
Dapat kinuha natin yung
Ah?
dropper.
Ha?
Yung dropper.
Wala bang, di, may dropper ba yan?
Kunin mo to.
May dropper ka diyan?
Hindi.
What is that?
Oh, 3 grams. Look,
1.
3 grams lang. Oh, i-mix mo na.
Bilis. Uy.
I-mix mo na.
Water. You need to mix it with water.
Ayan yung ano yung Happy Kitchen. Hindi na marami na
Ay! Ano ba yan? Ang mess.
Nanood ko yan.
Nalagami kitchen.
Sa TV, Saigi.
Ay, nagiging jelly.
Ikaw na, alam mo?
Happy kitchen.
Alam ko din yan.
Ay, alam mo?
Oy, lagay mo pa. Pwede?
3 grams lang.
Ikaw kasi mismo ah.
I already panood it. That's how you do it. And I panood yan. Sa TV. What is this?
Pa-mix ako.
Burger yan?
Oh, wait. You just have to put
Paano? Wait lang.
the sprinkles
Ako
in the burger.
mag-observe. Ilagyan daw ng tubig.
Ito yung tray. Oh,
Oh,
mamaya.
this is the tray.
Lagyan daw dito.
This is like the fork
Wait lang, Amber, para malang mabuhos.
and the
Lagyan natin pa. Konti.
Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, why are you guys putting it a
You
lot?
want to try to mix?
Yes.
Oh, ipat
Me
mo.
too.
Yeah.
Me, yes.
Ay, yung sprinkle na lang mamaya. May sprinkle
Pwede
ba?
muna ako. Lemon, oh.
Oo.
Ay, wag mo sis. Ako na lang yung sprinkle. Ako
I will
na
mix
din
this
yung...
because this is hard.
Ako na lang yung sprinkle.
Dami nangyayari.
Katulog yung mamangin. Oh.
Anong ginagawa natin? Burger?
You're making a burger. And where is this?
Oh.
That's a fry.
Oh, it's
mahulog
from
ito.
the
Ngayon,
fries,
tubig. Ano
bro.
ka muna?
I don't want the gummy. Gusto ko it.
Kumain na kayo?
Ako na lang yung sprinkle, ha?
Are you guys excited?
And I want that also. I want the burger, okay? And I want burger.
Konti pa.
Ito, ito.
But I eat the burger.
Ay, yung
Oh,
tubig
no.
yung mabuhos.
Later.
Can I please have the can I please have the Coke?
Share tayo.
Kainin mo mamaya.
This is from
Uy,
the
wag, wag,
Coke.
wag, wag. Hindi pa tapos.
Di ba dapat yung water key ah? Ay, saka?
Can you read ano next after mixing this?
Sino pa ang key?
Tapos yung
After
tubig dyan.
mixing this, put it over here. Sabi niya.
Sa buns?
Oo.
Dumi na saw yan.
Oo, kainin
That's
niya.
mix now.
Okay
Yung
na
ito,
to?
oh. Yes, dito. Next.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Oh, you watch na.
Tapos next,
Ako.
if after this one, lagay mo ng sprinkles. Oh, I'm gonna be in the sprinkles.
O lahat kayo mag-sprinkle.
Wait.
Ah?
Divide the mixed sugar powder into 2 pieces.
Ha?
Divide into 2 pieces.
Ah, so, dito ipatry mo sa kanila gawin sprinkle.
Put each into a round mold and press it into shape.
Alis sticky rice.
Sabi siya naman sa dati.
You just need this knife, bro.
Zap, paano mo yung tubig, Zap? Zap, baka maano niya yung tubig.
Mag-sprinkle kayo.
Ako na lang mag-sprinkle. Ako
later.
na lang.
Lahat. Mag-sprinkle lahat.
Come here and get
Zap,
some.
Zap,
Ay,
basta.
I will open.
There will open na.
Hawakan ko
Go,
na.
mabuhos yung laptop. Ayun.
Oh, you just have to flat it, bro.
Go, mabuhos yung water.
Oh.
Inamin kitong water.
O, ito na oh. Ang pangit na.
Pangit or hindi?
Ali, polymer clay.
Should I clay? Oh
Go,
my
I will put
god.
it here.
And let's put the springs in the jar.
Yung water ko.
And
Hindi, picture mo nga sa
ayoko na yung, I don't want to put the sprinkles na. I'll just put the powder into this one. And I will drink it. No, I need the Coke, okay? No! I
Press mo na.
Kala ko ba
I will
i-microwave?
drink us.
Ako may
may-
bowl pala.
let's
Hindi
just
mo
share.
microwave.
Ha?
Hindi mo microwave.
Ano? Ano din? Let's just share,
Sila mga
Pio.
sila din.
Oh, man. It's okay, but basta we just have to share. Oh, I want the Coke. Yeah, let's just share, bro.
What's happening?
Wow, what's happening?
Bumili ka ng panghugas.
What's happening to this world, bro?
Ma, nalipata ka di ko sa sabon. Ayaw naman
Ate
sa
Margo,
akin.
kailan ka mag-go
Yan na, yan na.
sa Manila?
Gami naman yan ata.
It's fine.
It's your vacation?
Hati daw tayo kung anong lasa.
Yeah. That's stage.
Okay na
I will
yan.
put it
Oh,
here.
yeah, watch na.
Okay na yan.
Okay,
Watch na.
Mary, mastic.
in the other one, number 2,
Ala, okay na yan.
add sugar powder to mixing bowl B
Ah, okay na yan.
with
Ayan na.
8G
Ayan,
water.
ayan na yung burger.
Oh my god.
Allah.
RB, oh.
Ay, sorry.
RB, the
Ay,
investigation ba?
sorry.
Ala.
Sorry, te.
Look at the burger. Oh, wow.
Ang pangit.
Is that a gummy? Is that a gummy?
Ano to?
Yung
Who
tubig
is
mo,
that?
yung tubig mo.
It's from the
Ay, wag.
lettuce. From the number 2.
Wait
That's
lang.
from the lettuce.
Put each in
Ay, cut daw.
Nabigyan mo
of
sila
the
ng
mold,
para
put
matayin nila lahat.
cardboard for later use.
Oh.
Sprinkle one of them with decorative candy.
Alam, parang jelly naman
Wait
to.
lang, Amber.
Wait lang. Get
Get
one.
Oh, get one.
Nor cubes.
Pio, get one. Kapit siya mo sila.
Arika, get one.
Oy, nor cubes daw.
Mamaya,
They're cubes.
put it there.
Ako na mag-cut.
Ako naman. Last now.
Go pa rin camera mo.
I will put some. Ala, nahulog. Saan to?
Ba't ganyan yung
Ang
burger?
hirap
Mamaya.
mag-cut.
Mamaya.
Okay na go? Kasi ani ka din.
Yung maliliit din ah.
O, sa ani ka. Ba't may burger na ganyan?
Jesus.
O, lagyan naman.
Ate, ayaw niya.
Wow.
Yan nga.
Ani ka din.
I will not eat naman. You can eat it, basta lang.
Okay.
Oh, so cute! Oh my god, the hamburger is
Wow.
Okay, tama na.
Need ko ng yung
Yummy.
knife na pang ganun.
Dip knife nga daw, Dip.
Bro, there's a knife like that, bro.
Bread knife.
Wait lang.
No!
Bread knife.
Okay. It's
Yeah,
next.
ako naman.
Hindi, mamaya to.
Napakita mo kay Pia.
Ako na.
Add sugar powder B to mixing bowl B with 8 grams of water.
May syringe ako. Gusto mo?
Ah, sige.
What?
Ito za, mas okay to.
Ay, thanks. Ang lagkit.
Ano yung price?
Ay, di. Wrong order.
Haha.
Ang haba dapat sa.
Look of rice.
Ano yan?
Siling.
Ang hirap mag-slice, oh.
Habang ginagawa ni Kuya Zak yan, let's do the other ones.
Hindi naman halata ang kalat.
Okay.
Ah?
Add sugar powder B to mixing bowl B. Ako na sa powder para hindi ano.
This one.
Yung water. Ako yung water.
Hindi ako yung water. Ako naman yung put sa dito. Ito yung lettuce. Basta hindi ko alam.
Yan, hindi pa kita mo ko.
Now, yeah.
Wow! It's like sprinkles. Yes, it's like sprinkles from cotton candy. The last time.
Mamaya, tapusin lang natin lahat.
Ang lagkit.
Cookies. Put some water. That's a smashing.
Lagyan na natin.
Yes. Ting, ting, ting. Diba that's a smash like on the Play-Doh the for food to smash it. Why are you using that for medicine?
Isak daw.
Ha?
You smash it.
Maya, ano ko lang yung fries.
Wow! Can I pour it?
Bad
Can I do
quality
it? I will do it. Can I do
Ang gawin pa tayo
it?
man sa kanila. Oh, careful.
Kayong dalawa, push it.
Wow!
Ah!
RB!
Yes, we did it.
Ano daw?
That's enough. That's enough. It's so many.
Can you read again?
Yung go, okay.
Asyo pala.
Sa mixing, and then how many ml?
I don't know.
8 grams water.
119 ang gano'n.
190?
And ito for 119. Pero pag bilhin mo na isa, 119. Wala, normal. Scammer nga yun.
May fries ka na, oh.
Sabi niya lang ganun. Mami, magtanong ka muna.
Kevin?
Let's mix it for lettuce.
Malagkit yan. Dekat yan. It's not a dekat, bro.
Uy, gusto ko mag-mix.
No, si Ate Margo na lang.
Hayaan mo na.
Alas, parang slime.
Ay, patry mo sa kanila, Zara. Try mo.
Oh,
Ano
careful.
mag-slice?
Oh, snake.
Wala, ako naman eh.
1, 2, 3.
Hindi
Oh, si
naman
Pia's
ako.
turn.
Amik.
Okay,
Hindi naman ako
Ikaw na.
Ang first turn.
Enough na. Saan ka din?
You mix it. Ay! Ay! Careful.
What happened?
Mix it.
Mix it. Mix it, Anika. Wow. Done na.
Oh my gosh, don't eat it, bro. Oh, this is where you put the
Okay.
where you put the
Oh, nag-get.
lettuce.
Gusto ko ng tissue.
Lagay yung fries dito. Wow, may fries at burger na sila.
We still didn't even put the buns.
Transfer to vegetable mold. Use sphere mold for
This
excess.
one, okay, this one.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Puro daw.
They even need a meat and a cheese. And this is for the coke.
Ay, that's one for
Ay, no, don't shake it, bro.
Oh, later. Ipakawag mo muna, Amber.
Okay, fine.
Oh, that's
Okay,
for
I
the
will
coke
transfer it
now.
na.
Oh, you mix with the coke mamaya. No.
Oy, how about the meat?
What's that? What's that?
Uy.
Yun, may aircon.
Uy, paano yung meat? Paano yung meat
Meat.
sa...
Dito ka na lang, oh.
Ni
Paano yung
Kunin
meat
mo yung
sa...
pan mo.
aircon.
Hindi mo na. Mamaya pa, Zach.
It's a vegetarian.
Wala naman meat.
It's a vegetarian.
Nagsando ka
Sana
na.
may meat yung...
Tanggalin mo na kasi yung bag mo sa
Na-smell ko yung back.
Ano to, Coca-Cola?
That's the alam. No, that's from the tomato. Ang bango. This is for the Coca-Cola, okay? Gatang candy.
Pati yan. Oh, pati.
Oh, yes, mahulog
Ba't
ka.
inaaway mo sa...
Ala, cheese yan.
Hindi, yun yung sabi ko. Walang ibang cheese.
Yeah. There's no pang cheese. How rude is it? Ay, wala talaga. Ala.
Ala ka!
Ulo? I also just colored baby. Ganyan mang cellphone pa ba hindi lilipad?
Oo, dito. Yan.
Kahit yung quality.
Wala naman kasamang cheese. Tapos yung box din. Ate Margo, wala naman kasamang
Ano
to, cardboard?
Oo, winawatch mo yan, Tio.
Opo. Tio, Ay,
Okay.
Margo, pretend you.
Oy, wag. Wag. Oy.
Inamoy niya lang.
Yeah, mo na dyan. No, okay. Wow. Oh, you watch
Let's
na,
set
Tio.
5 to 10 minutes. Oh, let's...
Oh,
Oh,
what?
mag-count kayo.
1, 2,
Oh, mag-count down. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ito na, oh, ito na.
9. Ala, it's so tagal.
Okay, what's next?
Yeah. Bye, cheese.
Add sugar powder C to mixing bowl. C with 8 grams mix.
Use the cola next.
Tomato mold with...
I said use the cola.
Okay.
Amber, wait.
I'm not that one. I want to do it.
No, it's not for the cola. It's for ketchup.
That's for, bro,
This is for the cola.
Ay, for-
Timplahin mo na nga,
for
go.
tomato, bro.
Later na lang yung cola, okay?
Yup.
Yung ketchup muna.
After the lettuce and
Later the cola. You will mix the cola
oh
later.
my gosh, why the fries hulog? And it's like a gummy bear. Dito lang oh. Wait. Fix ko. Ano, zero?
Lug ba si Erin?
Ano, paano na?
Mamaya pa.
Ang lagkit.
Oh, dito na.
Okay, ikaw naman.
Stand. 1, 2, 3.
Ikaw mag-pour. Wait.
Sana gusto ko mag-pour din. Pwede. Oy, pwede ulit.
Si Ate
Kayo
Cam
mamaya.
muna.
Sa Coke naman.
Ako next.
Yung water ko.
Tio.
Goy,
Ate
yung
Margo,
water
ako
mo.
next, okay?
Okay,
Later.
okay.
Ako
Ay,
next.
kaninong si Regian?
Ah, bago.
You pour it. You pour it.
Tiyo, mahulog ka ah.
It's like a dough in there.
Yan.
Ow! Ew! Ew!
Ipakita mo.
Ka lang dito.
Okay.
30 minutes na?
Ipunas mo.
Punasan.
Africa.
Anong tissue yan, hoy? Baka nilaway yan.
Hindi, bago yan. Tiyo, wait.
Ipakita mo.
Magdadaan ka, Tiyo.
This is the lettuce and green cheese.
And this one is the rice. And this is the hamburger. It's not ready. Who was an injection? Ouch!
Ay, no,
I love an injection.
Ay, no.
A zombie is there.
May strawberry.
Food yan. Later na. Oh. Adet. Ay,
Okay na yan, Ate Margo. Ate Margo.
Iinumin niyo mamaya yan.
Inom ko yan.
Oo, inumin niyo.
What's next? Oh, sino mag-put ng lettuce? Ay, sa tomato.
Eh, si Ate Anika.
Okay.
And you
Ka.
eat that for hindi
Ilagay-
naman
maglagay
10
ka.
minutes. To dry
Tomato.
At Ate
Tomato.
Margo,
To dry
pwede
sa-
ako sa cook. Ate Margo, pwede ako sa cook.
Okay.
Oo, dalawa kayo ni Tiyo.
Ako muna. Dito na. And can I get the fries and burger? Huh?
Okay, later.
I want fries and burger. No! I don't have burger now.
Hatiin natin.
We just have to hati. Sige, ako want burger and fries.
Ang laki ng bilbil ko.
Ako
Akin na.
Ako yung
Tingnan mo kung okay yung mga greens.
Coca-Cola.
Mamaya
No!
lang.
I don't have now.
Oo.
Sige, ako yung
Lahat kayo mamaya, lahat kayo mamaya.
I don't have now.
Okay.
Hatiin natin, di ba? Hamburger lang sa akin.
Kakantok kayo, akin na.
Tapos, go sa akin at fries. So,
Okay.
burger at...
Mamaya yan, mamaya.
Ako lang real...
Okay na ata.
Tio, can we share Coke? No.
Okay na, uy.
Mamaya.
Diyan ko maya.
Okay na,
Ala,
oh.
ayun na. Oo, ano na yung
Oo.
lettuce.
Wow! Wow!
Ano gagawin
Tingnan
ko?
natin yung detail.
Mamaya, mamaya.
Pangit.
Kaya nga mamaya,
Oh,
Zach.
lagay mo na.
Mamaya, B.
Is 10 minutes over?
Zach, later nga. May timer, Zach.
Mamaya. Mamaya.
Okay nga, oh.
Ayun, kalalagay lang yan.
May timer
Later.
na, sabi na Zach eh.
Okay na, oh.
Okay, let's put the Coca-Cola.
And I want to try the Coca-Cola.
Oh, lagyan ko na.
Ito,
Oy.
try mo na yung Coca-Cola ko.
Lagyan ko na, oy.
Hindi dyan.
Saan?
So, belly
Balik
ba?
natin.
Wala naman.
Oh, sige, sige.
Pwede ko baliktadin. Pwede ko put yung Coke with
lagay mo na.
Tio.
Wow.
Cheese pa, cheese pa.
Cheese pa, cheese pa.
Lagkit
No,
pa.
not like this.
Ay,
Is it just like that?
Oo, baliktad kasi.
baliktad.
Nahulog na yung sprinkles
Hindi, tama lang.
Matambak ko. Mabalik kasi ata na. Later,
Ay,
Amber.
may ang ganda ng heart.
Ala,
Lettuce.
baliktad.
Hindi, tama lang toppings yun.
Toppings na.
Oh, you put the cheese. Mamaya yung tomato.
O, sino mag-put ng cheese? Si
Ako.
Pio naman.
Ala!
Ikaw sa tomato. Pio, lagay mo na
Lagyan
cheese.
ko na.
Hindi naman baliktad.
Hindi dyan.
Uy,
Ala,
Ilagay mo
nadikit yung sprinkle.
Ganin ka to kasi ako.
adjust ko lang. Ang pangit ng quality.
Anong pangit ng kulit?
Saan mo binili yan, Zach? Magkano naman yan?
101, ay, 119.
Saan banda?
Eh, dalawa,
Toxic.
buy
Ala,
one, two,
nahulog.
ay, ano, buy one,
Mayaman na.
get two.
Isip na muna.
Oh, later na yan kasi may tomato pa.
May tomato pa.
Can I put the tomato?
Okay.
Nag-wash
Galing
kayo ng
yan sa
hands.
KKP
What's
yun eh.
The wow. Okay na to. Can I try now to eat?
Later, hindi pa
Yeah.
tapos. Let's put it muna doon.
Picture mo natin.
I'll just put the tomato.
Later na
Picture
lang.
it first. Okay, next.
O, ganun
The
mo.
tomato.
Coca-Cola.
Pisilin.
Ay, Manta Coca-Cola. Hindi naman
Alam
mix
ko
yung yung tomato.
Hindi pa okay o kalalagay. Okay?
Patikin mo.
Okay. Okay, tomato next.
Patikim mo
O, sige, patikin mo na ko.
Bakit mo kinain?
Kinakain talaga yan.
Naam.
Ay, 119 eh. Huwag na kainin.
Don't eat it.
Don't keep it.
Kinain nga na yun.
Who
Kinakain.
Kuya Zon.
Baka jelly eh.
Pero wag
Ako?
na.
Huwag na, don't eat.
Ah, sige. O, si ano naman.
Sige, sige.
Doon na.
Parang
Doon na.
gawang-
Kuya Zak, how is the fries? Hindi,
Wait.
Lasang honey.
O, ikaw maglagay.
You wanna eat?
Wait.
Sa Coca-Cola.
Anak ko ka,
Lasang honey butter.
That's ako din. Hindi na din ako mag-join kasi hindi naman ko nalalangay.
O, eh.
O, yan na.
Alika na, ikaw na maglagay.
O, sige yung Coca-Cola.
Hindi na ako mag-join.
Oh. Try mo.
O, wala na.
Oh, try
Ikaw
mo.
na.
Coca-Cola ka na.
Why?
Don't eat daw.
Pwede?
Oo,
Oo,
kinakain.
kinakain daw.
Kaya,
Papin
wag
cooking
na.
inspiration yan kasi.
Don't eat it.
Kailan?
Ah, sige, tapos i-spit mo din.
Hindi siya
Saan ba
masarap.
yung tomato? Ay, wag mo na kainin yung french fries. Kainin natin yung french fries. Ako naman sa court.
Ayaw niya din.
With water.
Ako naman sa
Amaya, wait lang.
Ako naman sa court.
Ikaw sa coke.
Ako sa court.
Wait.
Dalawa na lang kayo.
Si Amber ang mag-pour ng coke.
Ano
then
ba yan?
you
Ang
will
gulo
mix.
na naman.
Okay? Hindi.
Hatiin mo na lang go. Kuha ka lang isang baso.
Alawag. Maruin yung vibe.
Marami.
Amber first.
Hindi na
Wag.
nalalagay eh.
Si Ate Amber naman, ate. Ay, ano,
Half muna
Uy,
piyo.
wag. Ano ba yan?
Half
half
na.
daw.
Ikaw daw. Ikaw naman
Ikaw
yung
na.
half. Amber, ikaw na ate. Half o half. O half. O lahat tayo. O half din.
ikaw
Half
naman
din.
na.
O ikaw na arbit. Half lang arbit ah. O.
Ano
O
ba
si
yan?
Amber naman.
Amber na ikaw na half. Half lang. O, si Anika. Ipatry mo na lahat.
Ano ba yan? Parang
Half lang. O, tayo patry mo. O, si Pia.
Ate Margot,
Si Zach.
82%
O, si
na
Pia na.
lang.
Ala,
Dala
wait.
na kay Pia.
Oh,
Mamaya may timer dyan. We need it.
O, all na.
Akin.
Wait lang.
Is the and then I put in water.
Oh.
Is the coke
Water na
masakit
daw
din sa
ko.
tangto?
You
Hindi.
need to cup and
Ay, wag.
steer wheel.
Protein drink
O,
lang
ikaw
yan.
ang mag-extract ng
O,
water.
isa-isa.
Ikaw na mag-add. Huwag kayo magulo.
Wait lang,
O,
isa-isa.
isa-isa. Up, enough number. Enough na.
And pwede ako next.
Okay, enough. And then put it.
Hindi
Pwede
mo
ako
measure no?
next.
Hindi.
O, si
My
A.
turn. Try mo mix it.
O, your turn.
More water.
Wait lang, isa-isa.
O, sige.
Ay,
Hila mo.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, you put it.
why so many?
O,
Okay,
Pia.
your turn.
Pia yung ano. O, sige.
Ang gulo na. Oh.
Extra. O, sige na.
Tasang honey butter yung ano, potato. Ang
Oh,
pangit.
si Ate Kang.
Kang.
Oy, wag.
Ate Kang, push
Time
mo.
is up.
Time's up na go.
Miss.
Masakit ba?
O, si Kuya Zach.
Ate Margot, time is up.
Can you put it?
Can I put it? Ikaw,
Okay
fries.
na?
Ako hamburger. Ako yung
Okay na?
Okay, Ate Margo.
hamburger lang
Hindi
fries.
nag-ano siya ta.
I-mix nyo ng mabuti.
Wala naman ako extra. Password.
Mamaya
Wala
isa-isa
naman
lang.
akong extra.
O, si Mami Angel.
Ay, alam ko na hati kayo dyan.
Sana hindi na ako
Ano ba yan? Nag-try na naman si Mami.
Bakit?
Grown up
Okay.
ka na eh.
Someone mix it. Ako na.
Ako.
Ako na.
O, si Kuya Zach daw.
Si Kuya Zach.
I-mix mo, Zach.
I-mix mo.
Ah?
I-mix mo.
Just mix it.
Ala, grown up ka na, Mi.
I-mix mo. Ikaw mag-mix. O, i-mix mo.
Mix it.
Kasi kaya Zach na para clean yung kamay niya.
I love it. Sana.
Diba, hindi naman mo maganda.
Yeah, it will finish.
Later, picturean pa natin.
I want the only hamburger. And you, Arby? I want also one hamburger. No,
Okay,
I
can
don't
you-
like.
Okay?
You
Ito na lang
don't.
din.
I don't have hamburger now. We just have to happy eat.
No one will eat the hamburger because this is just a toy.
Oh. Wait, I thought you said we are gonna eat it.
No, it's not.
Is it a toy?
Oo, later, picture pa natin.
Squishy.
Itang.
Yes, it's squishy toy, right?
Did you eat it?
No, I think. But Kuya Zaki ito gummy.
No, it's not
Me
yummy.
too, but I spit. I
Taste,
throw it
taste
at
like
the-
a
I
plastic.
throw it.
Lasang
Okay,
strawberry.
don't squish it.
Don't
Lasang
taste it.
strawberry, oh. Lasang strawberry.
Huwag mo na ipatikim sa kanila.
Ay, wag.
Don't taste it. Don't. Wow.
Okay, let's picture it.
Oy, picture nyo, picture nyo.
Oh, picture na kayo.
Okay,
Uy!
let's do it.
Ba't ganito kasi? Picture na kayo. Kayo sa mo.
Aray. Wait, wait.
Okay, good.
Wait, picture
Wait,
na
don't
kayo.
play with it.
Wait, no, you just have to
Doon yung
get
box.
it.
Ganun mo.
Okay, someone get the box.
I'll get it.
Someone get...
Alak kayo yung
I'll get it.
table.
Hindi, isa lang.
I'll get it.
Someone show this one.
Bro, I'm not gonna. Oh, it
Oh,
smells
someone show
like
this one.
strawberry. How about this? I'll eat that.
May picturean mo kami.
Toy
Yung
lang
tubig
yan.
mo.
Yeah.
Mabus!
Ano?
Yo, you want to play
Okay
with
na.
this?
O, picturean mo na kami. Picture.
Ay!
Oh!
Alak kayo.
Wala na.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Wala.
Okay lang naman, eh. Lasang ano lang naman.
Sige, picture na kayo.
who's this?
Oh, picture, picture.
Someone, you show that.
Oh, show the camera. The box.
Wala na.
You show the
You show the
No,
pic-
doon. Picture kay Mami
picture.
Angel.
Yung tubig lagay mo din sa malapit ka sa tago. Go.
Itang patry mo yung ano.
Sino nagbuhos ng yun? Hindi ko alam. Wow, ate, this is a nice squishy toy,
Picture
right?
na. Kaya, picture na.
Kamali ka kang.
Picture na. Huwag mo na kasing kainin. Oh, picture na.
Is this squishy toy?
Dito Hindi ka makita.
Oh.
Ah,
Pia,
joke
look
lang.
at the camera.
Look, over there, over there.
Pia, look at the camera.
Oh,
Thumbs up.
let's...
Thumbs up.
Oh,
You show this one.
Pia. Pia, thumbs up.
Si Kuya Zach ka.
Hindi masarap.
Zach, mag-thumbs up ka, Zach.
Oh.
Pio, look.
Pia.
ang gawin lang dito.
Mamaya,
Look
look.
at the camera. Ah.
Kitchen low quality.
Oh, okay, let's go play! Ooh.
Ay,
Hindi masarap
lagkit-lagkit.
yan.
Wow!
Don't drink.
No. Wow, Mia, look.
Don't eat it, ah?
Okay,
Ay,
what
ito,
will,
Gummy fries.
Ipahawak mo
Di
din.
ba
what will you say to our subscribers?
Okay, guys, you have to subscribe and like and thank you for watching to our
Don't eat
video
it na, huwag
from
na
Start
kainin.
and
Ah,
Reynald.
don't eat it.
And bye-bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our video.
What can you
I
say
hope-
about the product?
I hope you have a great day. Like, yeah.